Hello everybody and welcome to my kitchen. Let's prepare a delicious salad with a cabbage. This salad has one special ingredient. For beginners in cooking, I would suggest that you use this part of cabbage for salad. Any part is delicious and any part you can use for salad, but this part has a thinner part of leaf. So this part of leaf is thinner and this one is thicker. So this part we can use for cooking, and for salad is better to use this part. So let's cut. So this part of cabbage is 500 grams, so half kilo. The best way to cut cabbage is to put it flat side down. We can also take only one part and cut it first. Let's take only half of this cabbage. Let's take 250 grams or 300 grams of cabbage. A pinch of salt, and we work with our cabbage this way. We work like this for less than 1 minute. Now let's add 2 small cucumbers, each one approximately 80 grams. Now let's cut finely and add some dill. So I just add approximately 1/3 of a big lime, juice of lime. Mix everything together. As you can see, they have 3 very big portions. So here we add olive oil or any oil of your choice, and this salad is ready. And now we prepare dressing for this salad. As you can see, there is mayonnaise and there is honey. This is our secret ingredient. Mix well. So let's try them. I love very much olive oil. It's very healthy and it's delicious. But in this case, in my taste, this is tastier. Try both dressings and choose which one is tasty for you. Enjoy your meal and bye bye.